Here's how to fix slow download speeds in Google Chrome. In Chrome's address bar, type chrome:/flags and press Enter. Search for parallel downloading and make sure it is enabled, then click Relaunch. Next, right-click the Start button, go to Run, type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. Right-click your active connection, Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and select Properties. Click Internet Protocol version 4, then Properties. Check Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 1.1.1.1 for the first line and 1.0.0.1 for the second, then click OK. Click the three dots in Chrome, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and remove any spammy or unrecognized extensions you find. Finally, search for CMD, run it as administrator. Type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Restart your computer afterward, and your Chrome download speeds should noticeably improve. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.